Hey everyone, welcome back to the 12 days of stickers. So today is day 11. I will be showing you guys two versions of this kit just because I have them here. So let's get into this. So for day 11, we have the Wildflowers kit. So this is the deluxe version. I think I forgot to mention yesterday that these kits also come without foil. So this is the premium matte version. So it's just the regular matte paper that we have. And this is the deluxe kit. So this is like all 6 pages. You can get these pages a la carte, by the way, if you just want like the full boxes or like, you know, like the washi sheet, for example. But this is day 11 and it's the Wildflowers kit. So let me go through all of these pages. So here are your full boxes here, and then like your icons. So these are all like functional icons. They should be able to be used for like any spread if you have any extras. And this is actually the functional deco. This actually goes with the page, the deluxe version of the kit. I don't think I showed that one yesterday, but this is one of like the deco sheets that you guys can use to layer and use in your planners or whatever. And then we have your like check boxes. Here they're just like basic chalk boxes for tasks and things, functional boxes, and of course the washi sheet with the date headers. So for those of you who were wondering which version this was a deluxe one. The deluxe one comes with these 2 extra pages, and then the 4-page kit has all of your basic essentials. So and these are just extras, and sometimes not everyone needs all of these extra stickers for that, but you can also just grab them a la carte for all 12 kits. But yeah, that is the Wildflowers kit. This is the deluxe version, premium matte. It also comes with foil, but let me show you guys the mini kit for this kit. So this is the mini kit, and this one's with foil, so you guys can see what that looks like. And this one comes with the rose gold foil. So if you guys see, it looks, for some reason, it looks gold on my camera, but it is definitely rose gold. Maybe it's just because of the light. So yeah, this is the rose gold foil on here, and this is the mini kit. So the mini kit does come with 2 pages. It's just a very, very condensed version of the essential kit. So basically you get a bit of everything, but if you have a smaller planner, this one's probably for you. But just figured I'd share with you guys the different versions today, since yesterday we had the essential kit. But that is day 11. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 10. And the deal of the day is actually down below. Make sure you check that out for the deal of the day. It starts at noon Pacific time. So that is it. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye everyone.